guys, today I'm going to be taking you through the Nailz by Dev nails from the Crypt collection. So I didn't know how to do these. I was like, do I do dedicated videos or like, I don't know. And I think, to be honest, for like nail sets and stuff, I'm going to keep it majority, but I'm going to keep majority of my nail videos on TikTok, but I want to like show specific collections and stuff on here. I don't know. I might make a video doing this, but this video is going to be dedicated to swatches and going through the collection. Because yeah, I don't know. I enjoy doing my nail videos over on TikTok, but then I also don't know if I should do them on here too. I don't know. I'm going to kind of work it out and yeah, see what works best. But either way, first things first, we're just going to get into this collection and swatches for today. So this is the collection here. This is the box and I think it is so cute. And obviously this is the nails from the Crypt. So what I'm going to do first is take you through each shade and also show you some swatches. So I think I'm going to bring you kind of close. We'll do swatches first and then I'm going to, like, we'll talk about the collection. Okay, so the first shade that we have is called Wicked. And this is it here. It's this beautiful like jelly purple. And we have a swatch of it there. I really like this shade, it's real pretty. The next shade that we have is called Recently Deceased, and this one might be one of my favourites from the collection. This is it here, and I'm pretty sure this name is based off Beetlejuice, and I absolutely love Beetlejuice. One of my favourite movies. And this is the shade. It's absolutely stunning. Like, I feel like, I don't know if the camera is going to do justice, but in the light, I can't even. It's so beautiful. The next shade that we have is Crypt Keeper. This is another favourite from the collection. This one here. It's this beautiful, stunning silver shade. And this is it. Once again, I don't know if the camera is going to do justice, but oh, this shade is absolutely just like, I can't even, it's just, yeah. Recently Deceased and Crypt Keeper are definitely two of my favourite. The next one we have is called Afterlife. I feel like this one is also possibly Beetlejuice inspired. So it's a beautiful green, and yeah, once again, this one's stunning. This one isn't as glittery as the other two that I just showed you, but it's still really, really pretty. Has some really nice glitters in it, and I love the neon green. Next we have Bloodbath, and this is like another jelly polish. It's a jelly red polish, and it's such a cool shade. That one there. Stunning. Love it. Then we have To Die For. This one is another like glittery shade, except this one is like chunkier kind of glitter. So that's it there. Stunning. This is how this one looks here. So pretty. It's like this beautiful super deep red with these beautiful glitters in it. Next we have Hi, I'm Chucky, and this is kind of like a orangey red. It's like that. Absolutely stunning. This is a swatch of it. It's another like shimmery one, not as shimmery as the first two that I showed you, but still beautiful. And then the last one is called Time to Float, and this one is another one of my favorites of the collection. Looks like this. So those are the swatches of the collection. These were the first Nailz by Dev shades that I had tried out, and I was honestly so pleasantly impressed. I feel like they're a great formula, especially for a beginner, because they're like easy to use, they're really pigmented, but they're like thick enough that like they don't run down your nail, but not so thick that you can't work with them. I feel like there's such a nice consistency, and I just love the shades. I've bought plenty more polishes from Nailz by Dev now, but yeah, these were the first ones that I ever got, and yeah, honestly I was super impressed, and I think this collection is absolutely stunning. Should I make a dedicated video where I try them out? I feel like maybe I should. I don't know. I don't know, it's really hard to kind of try and know what to do like with makeup and with nails if I just put both of them on the channel, or what. You guys will have to let me know down below what your thoughts are, if you'd like to see nail videos as well. I know I've obviously done some dedicated nail videos, but anyway, I just thought it'd be fun to do a little swatch video, because even if I do a video trying these out, like I'm not going to be able to use all 8 shades. Is that 8 shades? Yeah. So I thought it'd just be fun to do a little swatch video as well. Yeah, that was the video. And it's a bit of a short one, but I just thought, I don't know, I'm having fun with the nails and stuff like that. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.